キッズジュニアクラスです。お願いします。
I said fresh out the underground, straight to the majors. Still put you underground, picking with the gauges. More money, more murder, more problems for pussy. Shots fired, you landed on the cushion. Greasy, ice-blooded, grand ice nigga. Gun niggas down, plus I'm nice, nigga. 2 steps ahead of headed, 2 texts getting. Don't know what you been doing, but I know what you better do. Cop, you a vest in a bulletproof fitted. Plus a big armored truck with some gully troops in it. No Perez Hill when I fuck your ass up. Get my front line soldiers to fuck your ass. What? Execution style to rap Chuck Norris. Drop mad niggas and still fuck the tourists. It's so illegal how I do them like this. Action bitch, ain't nobody ever score like this. 1 crime for your mind, 2 shots for convicts. Rusty Chooks, MP on that bomb shit. Rusty Chooks, MP with that bomb shit. Rusty Chooks, MP with that bomb. 1 crime for your mind, 2 shots for convicts. Rusty Chooks, MP on that bomb shit. Rusty Chooks, MP with that bomb shit. Rusty Chooks, MP with that bomb. With the mic in my hand, 8 years ago, no friend of mine was around and told, so I sit and write rhymes I can't say. You got this so bad cause the instinct, sometimes it makes me mad and I inject this from my system. This is the art form, a form of expression, communication. Something they use when they forget when they don't keep statements. So to the artist, we got freedom of speech and each aim's for a different target. Different markets, different agendas, different intentions. Some are pure, some are offensive. I'm just one of many different sides represented, or should I mention each individual is their own extension, speaking in perspective. So in this game I hold my own. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my home.